Oh, hello there, people. So we are well into April now. Or at least I think we are. So are we mid-spring? Could we call it that? And it's at this time of year when, you know, certain things can happen. The frustration can set in, the success can set in, or the nothing at all can set in. So, you know, I like to sort of keep the old... I was going to say something else then. I like to keep the old chin up and think about things that are going well and how can I improve things that aren't going well. So I thought we could have a little chat together, a little Friday afternoon stroll and have a look-see. So we're going to start, you know, if you've been, you know, a lot of you peeps out there will know that I absolutely adore my peach tree behind me. Dixie Red, American variety, fruits amazingly every year and it's amazing. So let's start with that. Right. Oh, camera. Right, now look, I'm not going to spend too long, but I've noticed that some small peaches, come on, have formed. There, look, if you come into focus. There you go. Look at that. Dirty fingernails, look, dirty gardener fingernails. Look at that, look. So, peaches there, the peach there, and there's several peaches all over the show. So we're not going to spend too long in regard to peaches because, you know, I've spoke a lot about it in the past and I don't want to bore you. Okay, now the grapevine here, look, the autumn royal, this is starting to come out. Leaves coming here. Will I get some fruit? Who knows? It's potentially, we'll see. I'm not going to comment too much. Persimmon's still alive. That's a good indication. Pomegranate looking cool. Now, you may see in front of me here, I've got some ericaceous compost. Now, I do have some blueberries out there. I've never really gave my blueberries the attention that I should. They require, or they like, you know, acidic compost, ericaceous. Some things do like a bit of a... Did you hear that? Because I did. Different sound this time. Anyway, they like a bit of acidic compost because I believe they're from peat bogs, which are acidic in nature. Acid! Anyway, now, there's a few things I want to have a go at, and that is changing the colour of hydrangea flowers. So I'm going to be purchasing some hydrangeas, you know, soon. And, you know, maybe have a go. These aren't hydrangeas, these are actually peppers. But I'm planning on maybe changing some of the colours of hydrangea flowers. Now, isn't that fascinating and cool? So, right, we're going to now go outside and see what's happening there. Now, in front of me here, you can see some different brands of compost. What I normally use. Dan normally uses this, doesn't he? J. Arthur Bowers from Homebase, but no, this here, look. Now, Levington Seed and Cutting Compost, we'll speak about this in uno momento, but the Miracle Grow, the reason why I have this is because this is enriched compost, feeds for up to 6 months, grows plants twice as big, so there we go, and it says 2 for £12, it wasn't, it was 3 for £12, that's £4 for 50 litres. Yeah, I bought 3. The seed and cutting compost, I'm going to be growing some more exotics, and I found a company that I've ordered these seeds from. One of my viewers pointed it out to me, and I'll link that when I get the seeds so you could see them. But they recommend you grow them in seed compost. So there you go, there it is, Levington Seed and Cutting Compost. Dan's getting posh. Levington, yes, with an easy to carry handle. Oh, yeah. Well, one could say that is an easy to carry handle. Do you want to see my guinea pigs? Look. These are Dan's guinea pigs. Steve and... what's his name? Steve and Kevin. They're cool, aren't they? Do you think they're beauties? They're quite friendly, actually. Look. Come here, darling. You know, scratch him, look. Stroke him, look. Look, mate, look. Hello, mate. And don't get you, Steve. Look, cuddle them. Look, lovely. Yes, yes. Oh, good, 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 good. So these are going to be the channel mascots. What do you think? Gorgeous, aren't they? Haven't had them long. They love. I didn't grow these. Someone else did, but they love it. They love their food and their water. And they love this. There you go. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on over. We're gonna have a beer, shall we? Yes. They do get friendly, but it's probably because I'm. You know, they squeak and they talk to me. It's probably because I've got this camera in front of me. Right, anyway, so back to where we were. And the pears, these are going to be cool on wood. Now, you may remember I moved this. This is variety Lord Lambourne, if I remember correctly, and this is Winter King. Now, I grafted this myself a few years ago, and I'm expecting a crop this year, look. As you can see, that we've blossomed out, so isn't that cool? I am incredibly happy with that. Now, down here, I've set my squash plants in random locations. You kind of expect that from me. Now, that looks alright, doesn't it? That is Victor Winter Squash, and I'm hoping it's going to get enormous. I'm keeping them under here because we're getting some very cold nights at present, and I don't want them to succumb to frost. You know, Jubilee Plum, you've seen it all before, but it looks cool, don't it? Look at that. Yeah, baby, yeah. I am going to get a crop of blueberries. It is appearing that way. I fed them with the ericaceous feed. Now the vegetable patch of epic proportions behind me, as the spit came out of my mouth. Sorry about that. Yeah, there's lots going on here. There truly is, and it's incredibly exciting. So let's have a look. Right. Ooh. Now you see that cloche? A cloche is a cool thing because inside and underneath the cloche I have kale. Oh. Now I've got the cloche here to keep the pigeons off. Now I know the spacing purists are going to say, Dan, they're too close together. Well, they are, but I wanted them close together, so they're close together, and that's where they're going to remain. And guess what I have got underneath these technological pots here? Let's have a look. As you can see, they were starting to look a bit rank, if that's a word. I remember Ali G saying that when I was in my teenage years. Anyway, yeah, so that there needs to be, you know, I want them to absorb some nutrients. It looks a bit rough, but yeah, never mind. They can stay under there. You know, I'm not expecting these to all live. I sowed them too early, but who knew? Who would have known? You know, the weather could have been really good this time of year. I could have had them out in the garden and experiments and blah de blah. Now, the broad beans are looking brilliant. I should see the first sign of the taters in a few weeks. Right, down here, I put some cucumbers, variety Market More. Once again, they're suffering from nutrition deficiencies, but I'm not worried about that. The old grapevine cuttings are starting to leaf out, as you can see. Now what I like to do is grow a lot of stuff that is more likely of success. So like this, this is either chard, this is chard, okay, grows well. I'm going to plant that out soon. And my spinach as well, that's going to be planted out soon. Look at the roots crawling out the bottom there. So yeah, so much to do and a lot of stuff, you know, more exotics all on the way. You know, I like to use this time of year to get planning and just thinking and get the stuff in. Expect a lot of expect stuff to go wrong, expect stuff to go right. Don't get hung up on it, don't get too excited. Just just chill, enjoy, and remember at the end of the day it's all fun and we should be enjoying this. So if things go wrong, they go wrong, but then other stuff will do well, so don't stress. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.